What's up, everybody? I'm back at it, Maine. Just like this video right here. But this one, we're in the fall now, so hopefully we can get a few more fish than we caught last time. It's 5:30 a.m. It's about, how hot or how cold would you say this is?
55, 60 degrees.
Yeah, it's around 55 or 60 degrees.
Water's lower than we've ever seen it.
Water's very low. He's using a crankbait that he lost last video. I don't know if it was in that. I'm using the small crankbait. Hopefully just to catch me any fish at all. And we're gonna see what we can catch. Like you got the fog coming off the wall.
Is that an eagle behind him?
No.
Oh, dove. Where's it gonna pop up? There it is. Way down there. That's so cool. There you go.
It's not huge.
I wouldn't boat flip it though.
What do you mean you wouldn't boat flip it?
Alright, I lied. There you go.
You're so traumatized.
Smallmouth?
Yeah.
It's very golden.
Yeah, it is smallmouth.
There you go.
You're very traumatized by
I am, bro. It's like right around here. Last time we were fishing here, I was using a lure similar to this. This one is Straight King, Kevin Van Dam. And the last one was Guggen. Same colors. The only different, the Guggen lure just isn't as thick. It has smaller hooks, but same color scheme.
You can change the lure.
I'm gonna have to. I didn't realize they were so big. Yeah, same color scheme. Hooked into a fish probably about 3 pounds. And I was kind of being lazy, just hoping that he did kind of like circles so I could just get an easy lip grab. And I wasn't firm with him. And he got under the boat and the line snapped instantly.
A video of me. Here it is, guys.
Hold on.
Just a small one. Don't leave it. Alright, you ready? It's like where the water is. The like rough water.
Let's see if that's even a little more.
Yeah. We've never had much luck here.
Yeah, besides just like perch.
Okay, well, talking about perch.
Oh, hold it up for this camera.
This is just unreal, dude. This is crazy. You ready? You guys ready for the reveal? You're ready for this huge reveal? I don't think I can even get somewhere it's not. Yo.
A giant. Backflip. Backflips? A lot more than that. That's a micro.
Dude, I was just on. I swear I was just on. What?
This water here is incredibly crystal clear.
Dude, I actually was just on. A tiny fish. It was so small I didn't feel it. I thought it was weeds. Oh! I think I'm gonna boat flip this thing.
Yeah, I think you might be able to.
Oh, this is bigger than I thought it was. Oh, it's because it's smallmouth.
Another smallmouth.
Dang!
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what we were expecting to blow up like that. Of course, it's a smallmouth. Is this the first video with me that you've actually carried? Yes.
Probably.
Yes.
Can I get the slide?
Catch. Slow us down.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to fish at that rate. Buddy. It was literally very next cast too.
I saw it coming too. Didn't it blow up like right as it hit the water?
No.
I swear.
I had it. It jumped. A little bit bloody down there, but small fish. Nice.
We had like 2 boats or something. Yo, everyone, please subscribe so that we can get a second boat and we can do.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I'm getting. Oh god, that's a better fish. Oh, okay, it was it was kind of foul hook. Another smallmouth?
Stop flopping. Don't flop.
I should just start back fishing the boat.
Yeah, tell me about how we should fish this spot more.
Yeah, I'm saying. Oh, is that? That's a largemouth.
Smallmouth there. Unless the colors are just faded.
I think it might be.
Bang! He doesn't want to be on the boat. He was like shaking off the boat. Oh, backlash.
Lure review with that next summer.
No way. No way.
Is it a good one?
I don't know.
How big is it? No!
Uh-huh.
I saw that flash. It wasn't huge, but
No.
it was a dot of a cast.